Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from work and I had a delivery. I got my IPSY box in. So I always slice it open immediately, that way I don't have to do it on camera with you guys. And I just opened it for a sneak peek. And there are some nastiness going on in this box. So I did email IPSY, which it took me forever to find that email. I just dropped something on the ground. Took me forever to find that email. I literally had to ask Google after I went to the website and didn't see it. I tried calling the phone number that I found and it said that they don't check the voicemail regularly, that you can message them on, you know, their social media, which is stupid in my opinion. Like, give me a phone number, give me an email right off the bat. Why do I need to search for it? But so I did leave them an email, sent them some photos, so we'll find out about getting some replacements. But I still want to go through the box because I don't know exactly what's in here. I just seen that there was something leaking, which it looked to be, yeah, it's this. So this is Evolue, I can't pronounce it. Super oil, looks like this. It looks like there should be a cap on this, like seriously, but it's leaking out of there. It got on, I don't know, a few different things. So the other stuff that we have in the box, we have some Tarte High Performance Natural Stay Spray. I have not tried this, so that's going to be great to try. It says it locks makeup in place for 16 hours. It's transfer proof, weightless and microfine, cucumber and aloe extracts. So we'll see, you know, here soon what this is going to be all about. Looks like we got a couple of lip balms. Noya brand, possibly. Looks like two different scents. Let me see if I can find what scent they are. I don't know. I don't see a scent. Let's open them and find out. I don't smell anything with this one. Which, I mean, come on, you can never have too many chapsticks, right? This one's mint, for sure. Okay, so that's good. I love the smell of mint. So these are good to have. Palette, magnetic palette, build your own palette. Are there no eyeshadows to go with it? That's kind of odd. Like, when I get these boxes, I want a palette in every one with eyeshadows in them. Oh, it does have some. Okay, some nudes. That's pretty. Okay. I mean, it's only 4. I mean, it's not mind-blowing, honestly. Whatever. It's got a nice big mirror, I guess. I'm probably not going to use this, honestly. Maybe it'll be a Christmas gift. I don't know. I just gotta make sure there's nothing on it. Looks like a little bit of oil got on it. I don't know. Let's take a look at the card here and see what it has to say. Usually this card's on top so that you can look at it with your stuff. Okay, it says that the eyeshadow palette was a value of $60. Okay. The super oil that leaked all over everything has a value of $68. It says instant moisture without heaviness. And it's plant-based, so that's good. Soaks in rapidly. The Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Spray. I didn't realize this was the Shape Tape part. Okay. Retails for $25. Okay, and that's a big bottle. I mean, it's a full-size bottle. So let's open this up. Let's just give it a spray. Smells good. Super fine mist. That's great. I hate it whenever you spray something on your face and you literally get droplets on your freaking face. Like, that's ridiculous. I need to sneeze. Okay. Next. Press and Set Bronzer is what it says. This is the Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. I don't know. We'll see. My face is like itchy. I mean, it might be really nice. I don't know. See if I can get the thing off here. I mean, it feels nice. I mean, it looks really pretty. I mean, it looks high-end. See that cheekbone right there? Hi. I mean, it looks nice. I'll give it a try. Then, put that back in like that. Then we just have a makeup bag that has the oil on it. That's gross. The bag is nothing spectacular. It's small. I usually give these away. Like, I don't need a makeup bag every month. But, I mean, it's cute. But it's just really small. I wish they were a little bit bigger. Especially, I mean, you're getting all these makeup items every month. Like, let's get a bigger bag. So the chapstick says a set of 2 retails for $7.98. And, you know, you get the bag for free. So, I'm really not impressed this month. Like, honestly, like, I'm not impressed at all. We'll see what they say about, you know, my oil that leaked all over the place. But I don't know. Nothing impressive for me. Let's try the lip balms at least. I want to try this one that I didn't know what the scent was. Vanilla. That's what it is. Yep. Oh, there, it does say organic vanilla lip balm. And this one's organic peppermint lip balm. If I could read, it'd probably help, right? Alright guys, so that's the end of this box. IPSY, you need to step it up. Just saying. I don't know. Normally I get like a really cool palette. This palette right here, it did nothing for me. Nothing at all. Like, I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to do it. And I sure as hell don't think it's worth the $60+. What was it? Yeah, $60. Yeah, no. But anyways, you guys, thanks for joining me. And we'll have to do it again next month. And we'll do it again when my BoxyCharm comes in. Anyways, stay tuned for my next video. I got a new one coming out on some drugstore makeup. I'm in the process of editing it right now. So I will see you next time. Bye.